My tummy hurts.
Oh, Abo, is that you? Are you okay?
Akong, I feel unwell. I need to book an appointment at NHG Polyclinics, but I'm not sure how to use the NHG Health app.
That's easy. I can help you.
Are you sure?
Come, let me show you how to do it.
After launching your NHG Health app and logging in using your SingPass or biometric authentication, tap on Appointments under Services, followed by Add New Appointment. Next, select your preferred polyclinic, the purpose of your appointment, and your preferred time slot. Lastly, make sure what you have selected is correct, then tap Confirm. And that's all! You have successfully booked an appointment at NHG Polyclinic. Apart from using the app, you can also call 6355 3000 or use the self-service kiosk at the clinic to book a same-day appointment.
Oh, Akong, you're so good at this.
Thanks. Come, let's go to the polyclinic together. I also need to go for my checkup.